Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful vintage chic cottage decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage chic cottage decor is a charming and romantic home decorating style that beautifully blends old-fashioned vintage elegance with the warmth, relaxed comfort of a cozy cottage. It is about creating a space that feels nostalgic, graceful, and inviting, where every piece tells a story and every corner feels softly lifted. Core style concept. Vintage chic cottage decor mixes vintage beauty, think heirloom furniture, floral fabrics, and antique accessories with cottage coziness, soft colors, natural light, and simple charm. It is both elegant and unpretentious, a balance between sophistication and homeliness. Key elements. Furniture use weathered wood tables, distressed white painted cabinets, plywood chairs, or softly carved dressers. Furniture often looks aged, giving it a soulful, proud character. Colors. Soft romantic hues, pastels, creams, whites, vivid blues, blush pinks, gentle greens, and antique ivory. Textures. A blend of lace, linen, cotton, crochet, ruffles, and soft floral fabrics create this warmth and tenderness. Patterns. Classic rose florals, toile, gingham, or faded stripes often appear on cushions, curtains, or wallpaper. Materials. Mix of natural wood, distressed metals, porcelain, and glass with a vintage patina. Decor accents. Vintage whites, old clocks, glass bottles, teacups, framed botanical greens, and candle holders. Romantic touches. Fresh flowers, crystal candelabras, lace dahlias, or vintage mirrors with ornate frames. Personal stories. Display family heirlooms, plum market treasures, or DIY refinishes pieces. Mood and feeling. This decor style evokes a gentle, nostalgic, and poetic atmosphere, like stepping into a sunlit country cottage that holds decades of tender memories. It feels feminine, peaceful, and heartfelt, offering emotional warmth and a sense of timeless beauty. Overall vibe. Imagine soft piano music, the scent of giant lavender, sunlight filtering through lace curtains, and a vase of roses on a weathered table. That is vintage chic cottage decor, a century of elegant comfort, vintage romance, and simple joy. Let's go deeper into vintage chic cottage decor, exploring its history, emotional feeling, design philosophy, and styling secrets that make it so beloved and timeless. Origins and inspiration. Vintage chic cottage decor draws from a blend of English countryside cottages, French vintage romance, and shabby chic elegance that became popular in the late 20th century. It celebrates the beauty of imperfection. Chipped paint, faded fabrics, and time-worn wood are cherished rather than hidden. The style tells a story of nostalgia and gentle living, inspired by simpler times when life was slower, homier, and closer to nature. It is a style that honors the past while making it warm and livable for today. Emotional atmosphere. Vintage chic cottage spaces are designed to suit the heart and awaken memories. They feel romantic, filled with soft light, pastel tones, and delicate details. Peaceful, the palette and textures invite calmness and rest. Sentimental, every object feels personal, as if it has been loved for generations. Natural, inspired by gardens, countryside views, and vintage floral beauty. It is not just a decorating style, it is a feeling of comfort, belonging, and poetic simplicity. Key visual features: soft color harmony, shades of cream, ivory blush, faded mint, sky blue, lavender, and pale rose from the base. Vintage textures: stressed wood, tipped paint, brushed metal, and charcoal finish ceramics. Dramatic fabrics: cotton, lace, crochet, ruffled linens, or floral upholstery that softens every corner. Antique details: porcelain knobs, vintage frames, ornate mirrors, and candlelight lighting. Design philosophy: the heart of this decor is imperfection as beauty. Furniture doesn't have to match. Mix pieces from different eras. Use repurposed or upcycled items to add authenticity. Let your space feel collected, not decorated, filled with meaningful treasures, not much product pieces. This approach makes the home feel soulful and real, rather than overly styled. Signature decor elements: furniture, ornate dressers, window armory, open shelves, and wicker chairs. Textiles: use lace curtains, floral quilts, ruffled pillowcases, and crocheted drawers. Accessories: candlesticks, china teacups, old books, picture frames, and antique vases. Wall decor: botanical art prints, mirrors with patina, rustic sign, and floral wallpaper. Lighting: use crystal candlelights, soft table lamps, lanterns, or candlelight. The seasonal spirit: each season transforms the vintage cottage mood. Spring, fresh flowers, pastel linens, floral scents. Summer, breezy white curtains, wicker baskets, and garden blooms. Autumn: warm light, plate draws, and soft amber candles. Winter: use layered textures, cozy quilts, and soft fairy lights. It is a living style, not static. It changes gently with the rhythm of nature. The soul of the style, vintage Chic Cottage Decor, is more than design. It is a philosophy of living beautifully in simplicity. It invites you to slow down, appreciate handmade things, and surround yourself with thoughtful, tender, nostalgic, and authentic. It is a poetry of form, a whispers of old world charm in the heart of modern life. The heart of vintage Chic Cottage Decor at its core. This style is about creating beauty from time-worn simplicity. It is not about perfection or modern luxury. It is about finding grace in imperfection, romance in ordinary, and peace in the past. Every object, an old teacup, a weathered table, a faded lace curtain, becomes a keeper from memories. This makes the space feel alive with emotion, as though it has a gentle story to tell. Emotional and sensory experience. Vintage Chic Cottage Decor appeals to the senses, not only the eyes but also the feeling of the home. Sight: soft sunlight through lace curtains, pastel hues glowing on whitewashed furniture. Touch own wood surfaces, cozy linen throws, textured crochet, and velvet cushions. A smell hints of lavender, rosewater, dried herbs, and beeswax candles. Sound the creak of wooden floor, the ticking of an antique clock, the hush of nature outside. The result is a home that shoots comfort and solitude, like stepping into a dream of gentleness. Artistic influence. This style draws inspiration from several artistic traditions: English cottage charm, romantic floral, and painted ceramics, garden-inspired patterns. French country elegance, carved furniture, ornate mirrors, candle arts, and toile fabrics. Shepetic spray, distressed finishes, whitewashed oud, and repurposed antiques. Rustic simplicity. Natural materials like wicker, rattan, linen, and softwood. Together, they create a space that feels feminine yet grounded, refined yet natural. Lifestyle and philosophy. Vintage cottage decor often reflects a slower, more mindful way of life. It is for those who value quiet mornings with tea by the window, homemade touches, hand-sewn cushions, DIY furniture painting, or fresh-cut flowers. Sentimental objects. A grandmother's clock, a chipped mirror, a handwritten letter in a frame. This decor style blends aesthetic charm with emotional comfort. It makes your home a refuge for the soul. The visual mood. Think of these key visual moods: softness, nothing too sharp, bright or modern. Everything feels faded, tender, and peaceful. Light. Natural light is your best friend. Open curtains, use sheer fabrics and placed mirrors to reflect sunlight. Romance. Ruffled cushions, fresh blooms, faintest perfume bottles, and delicate lighting create intimacy. Balance. Mix pretty with practical. A rustic wooden table with fine china, or a linen sofa with crocheted pillows. Emotional storytelling. Every vintage cottage space tells a quiet story of memory, love, comfort, and time. A chipped jug may remind you of your grandmother's kitchen. A faded floral quilt might feel like a summer from long ago. A lace curtain fluttering in the breeze evokes nostalgia and poetry. That is what makes the style deeply personal. It connects emotion and memory through design. The overall feeling. Quaint and tight, vintage cottage decor feels like a sunlit afternoon inside a memory. Warm, gentle, timeless, and full of grace. It is both nostalgic and genuine, romantic yet simple, and filled with quiet beauty that never faded. This style is not only furniture or color, it is about creating an atmosphere of love, warmth, and timeless tenderness in your home. And its heart, vintage cottage decor celebrates the idea that home is a memory made visible. Every corner, every faded object, every ruffled curtains whispers a quiet story. It invites you to slow down, to find poetry in ordinary things: a teacup, a winter breeze, a flickering candle. This style is about design and more about emotion. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.